So hello defense aspirant, welcome to this channel. Today we are back with a very informative video. We will be discussing about the Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. It is an introduction about this great identity. General questions are asked by the interviewing officer about this rank. What is the purpose of this rank? Sir is right now Commander of Tri-Service. So talking about the life and education. So sir was born in Pauri, Uttarakhand, in a Hindu Gadwali Rajput family. His family had been serving in Indian Army for multiple generations. They are serving their country. His father, Lakshman Singh Rawat, also rose to the rank of Lieutenant General. Sir attended Cambrian Hall School in Dehradun and the St. Edward School, Shimla. Then Sir joined the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, where he was awarded the Sword of Honor. This is the best achievement in the training period that Sir is awarded for, the Sword of Honor. Sir is also graduated from the Defense Service Staff College and the High Command course at the United States Army Command General Staff College. From his tenure at DSSC, that is Defense Service Staff College, he has an ample degree in defense studies as well as diplomas in management and computer studies. In 2011, he awarded as a Doctorate of Philosophy by CCSU University, Meerut, from his research on military media strategic studies. Talking about the military career, so Sir was commissioned into 5th Battalion of 11 Gorkha Rifles in 1978, the same unit as his father. Damn motivation come out of it. He commanded a company in Uri, Jammu Kashmir. You know this word Uri if you are a defense aspirant as a major. And as a colonel, he commanded his battalion, the 5th Battalion, 11 Gorkha Rifles in eastern sector along the LAC, that is line of actual control. Then he promoted to the rank of brigadier. He commanded 5 sector of Rashtriya Rifles in Surpur. After promotion to Major General, Sir took over the General Officer Commanding, that is GOC, 19 Infantry Division Uri. As a Lieutenant General, Sir commanded 3rd Corps headquarters in Dimapur before taking the Southern Army in Pune. After being promoted to the Army Commander grade, Sir is at the post of General Officer Commanding in Chief, that is GOC in C, Southern Command, in 2016. He took office of Chief of Army Staff as a 27th COAS, that is Chief of Army Staff, on 31st December 2016 after retirement of our General Darbir Singh Suhag. He is the 3rd officer from the Gorkha Brigade to become the Chief of Army Staff COAS after Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw and General Dalbir Singh Suhag. Talking about the honors and decorations, so you can see over here, these ribbons will tell you whatever the Sir have achieved today. So talking about this one first, so this is a Param Vishisht Seva medal. Then this one is Uttam Yuddh Seva medal. This one is Ati Vishisht Seva medal. This one is Yuddh Seva medal. Then Seva medal, Vishisht Seva medal, Wound medal, Samanya Seva medal, Special Service medal, Operation Parakram medal, Sainya Seva medal, High Altitude Service medal, Videsh Shiva Medal, 50th Anniversary of Independence Medal, 30 years Long Service Medal, 20 years Long Service Medal, 9 years Long Service Medal, and the last one is MONUSCO Medal. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a quick recap about our Chief of Defense Staff, and I hope you like this video. Support us by liking the video, and we will see you soon in the next video.